You gotta stay serious. See, look, now when I stop saying I'm weak, my
and welcome back to another tutorial. Y'all already know how I'm playing it. This is a low temp fade. I got a lot more energy than I did with the last video. I actually ate food today. I mean, I really ain't eat food. I just had a couple drinks, not alcohol. Though I don't drink alcohol. This stuff is bad for you, and it causes your hairline to lose in touch. You know what I'm saying? Alcohol is bad for your hair, your kidney, your liver, and everything, your whole body. Start off with a comb out. As you can see, my client has waves. The waves are deep. The 1.5 first to take the waves down because I don't want to go straight into it with the 1. And then I went the 1, but I didn't use the magic clips. I used my I think they're called lithiums. They got a softer touch to them, so I didn't really take that much off the top. I just left it wavelength level, so flat as possible. Still taking the hair down with the 1. Didn't really mean to make that part that long. Nobody want to watch me take hair down all day. Trimmers, you can't see this part because I accidentally stood in front of the camera. You can see a little corner of it right there if I zoom in, but I don't feel like zooming in. So it's right there. Low temp fade, that's what I'm starting it off. I like the words at the top of the video now. I felt like that's a good touch. Then I'm gonna get bare clippers, open full. It's like I can just read the words on the screen. I don't even gotta talk to you guys. I can talk to you guys about anything now. So yeah, man, yesterday I had to deactivate my Instagram because I was tired of just looking on Instagram and seeing everybody on Instagram. People don't really support business on the main page. They just watch. And I was tired of people just watching because it was bothering me. And then this weekend, everybody was just having fun and going places. Nobody was inviting me. It's not that I didn't have money to go anywhere. I kind of didn't have money to go anywhere, so that was kind of like pushing it. One guard, full open is for the second guideline. Let me not just skip that over. Remember, it's in the top left corner if you losing track of what I'm really just talking about for real. So yeah, I felt bad. I don't know why I felt bad. I don't usually let that stuff get to me. But everybody was just going out and having fun. Zero guard close, flicker motion, not full drive. Flicker motion helps knock the line out quicker. But yeah, everybody was just going out, not inviting me. And I was like, damn, I really don't got no friends for real. But I got friends. But I guess I'm just not that friend that people just invite out. Or people just, maybe it's because I don't like doing stuff. The one guard closed, just like the zero flicker motion, not full drive. You want to get the line out, the rest of the line out at least. So yeah, I'm like, damn, nobody's gonna invite me out, you know? So then that blew me. And nobody was reposting my haircuts and stuff like that. And I was forgetting that it really be strangers that support the most. I was really letting it get to me. So I deactivated my IG because I didn't want to see none of that stuff no more. It's helped a lot because I woke up this morning and I didn't just hop on IG. Because, you know, it's irritating. It irritates my soul. And then there was so much cap on the app. Everybody's just reposting, like, sad stuff. All this on Instagram right now is sad stuff and stuff that people can do nothing about right now. I used the clippers, bare clippers right there. Closed and halfway open to knock that bottom line out. Faded up to the top. Trimmers, of course. The golden FX joints. These joints are great, but they're not that great. They're kind of all right though. Going down on them. Nah, let me not say that. Shape up the mustache. I'm about to shape it up after I took the mustache down with the trimmers. Not the trimmers, the clippers. Hairline, of course, you saw me do the hairline. You saw how sharp his lineup was because I'm just that OC without enhancements. You see that? No enhancements have been touched in this process right here. I'm just crazy. Go back, touch it with the razor, and just boom, 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 boom. Sharp. Boom, 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 boom. Sharp. Boom. Boom, boom. Sharp. I'm just too sharp. God damn. Of course, it's nobody's perfect. I mean, but this haircut is like it. I like the best. I'm not gonna cap. It's a nice haircut. I'm not gonna say I'm the best in the world, but I'm just like him. Nick. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's the haircut. I don't know why I just zoomed. Why the hell did I? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe and all that stuff. Thank you.